In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your view mode in FxPro Edge. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Now, as you can see here, we have various view mode that are available. I'm currently using this tile view mode for my various items. However, if you want to change this, you can simply do this by just clicking or toggling on top here on this icon. Now you can see the view has changed. Should you want to change the view also for this, just go ahead and just click on this icon here next to it, and by toggling this grid, you should be able to change the view in your FxPro. So you can customize the view as you wish. If you want to restore it to the previous grid, go ahead and again click on it, and this will restore it as you wish. So that's how you can change your grid view in FxPro. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.